right, folks, another beautiful day here in Northeast Tennessee. So thankful to be here, folks. We are in Clinton, Tennessee, on the edge of town, and we're not far from downtown. We're on the eastern edge of town and doing another rehab. And, well, you can see what we've got done. Now, this was all plastic. We put plastic over the ceiling fans and tape them off, and all the light fixtures. We've ripped some of that off today because I have got the ceilings all sprayed out. We sprayed out all the baseboard, all the doors, all the door trim, any trim, doors, whatever, we spray them as well. We tape off the hinges, the doorknobs, and all of that good stuff, and we go to town spraying. So today, what we did, now yesterday they came in and taped off everything and did other things, picked up material and this and that, but we really didn't start working until today. And basically everything you see here was done today. We patched all the walls, we sprayed out the ceiling, we sprayed out all the trim. The trim is complete. We got a little touch up. I'm gonna caulk a couple little spots here and there. Yeah, so we sprayed all the trim, all the ceilings, did all the patchwork, fixed the gutters outside, pressure washed the outside of the house. Got a lot done today, folks. That's a whole lot done. And what else do we do? We spray out the closets. That's something we do. We'll take you back here and let you take a peek at it. This is the pink room. So we spray out the closets. It's still wet. It's patchy looking, but it's because it's so wet. But what we do is come in here on these small closets. We spray the ceiling and the walls all the same color. Now we'll come back and we'll cut in this trim white, make it look real nice. Now if it was a big walk-in master closet, of course, we would not spray the walls. We would want that ceiling white. And so we would just brush and roll the walls. But that's it, folks. Another job, another rehab here in Northeast Tennessee in Clinton. Getting her done. Now, of course, these floors get replaced, all of them, unless they're covered up with paper. They're going to be replaced. Cuts just started cutting in, as you can see. So we're going to knock a huge part of this out today. It is almost 5 o'clock. Most of the patchwork, all that's got to be done is be sanded, except for this one. I got to put another coat on that. Anyway, folks, we'll see you.